Welcome everyone to this tutorial. Yeah, in this tutorial we'll continue to check the functions of each buttons on the panels. We have successfully segmented the interface of Pixellab into 5 panels, and can check out the previous videos on how we did that. And in this tutorial we will start checking out the functions of each button in the second panel. We have treated the first panel and the functions of each button. You can check previous videos to know how they work. So let's get started. Now, the second panel, the first thing we have is the Pixellab logo or icon. And the essence of that is branding. When you click on it, it doesn't really do anything. Is that okay? It's just to let you know. Now, the space is occupying. When you click on any of your objects on the canvas, when I say canvas, I mean your workspace where you do your stuff. Can you see that the icon has changed? The Pixellab logo disappeared, and we have these 2 highlighted buttons. The first one is edit and the second one is delete. When I click on the edit, I will have some options. Okay, you have the edit where you can edit the text. If I click on it, you see it will pop up this guy, and let me just say edit text. Click OK. Can you see? Then again you have copy. The next one by the right is copy. Can you see? It's a duplicate. It just duplicated it. And majorly the options you have is to edit any selected text. Is that okay? If it is not selected, it will not bring out the button or the icon, right? When it's selected, you have these options. You can increase the size or reduce the size. Is that okay? And when you're done, you check it with the check icon, right? Then what else? Rotate, positioning. You can rotate. Can you see? All right. Then positioning, you want to position at the center, top right, top left, wherever you want to put it. Then color, you can change the color. It's not okay, but I don't want to do that. Then you can bring to front. Is that okay? Bring to front. Now let me quickly do something to let you see the importance of that. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna give this a color. Okay. Alright. Now this box is selected now. Alright. Now, and it has covered the text we were working on. Now, if I click on this edit, is that okay? And click on this last icon, you see, bring to front. The first one is bring to front, and it's at the front already. And the last one is take to back. Is that okay? Now, our box is now at the back of the text. Do you understand now? Now you will discover that when I click on edit text, the options I have here, It's different from when I click on the box. Can you see? So the options we have are the edit. On the edit icon, we will be streamlined to the type of element you're working on. Is that okay? That's simple as that. And the delete button, the trash can. So when you want to put anything in the trash can, is to delete the selected object. When you click OK, it will delete it. Alright, in the next tutorial I'll continue with other buttons on this second panel. See you.